Hello everyone, and today I want to do some experiments. We have absolutely identical cars here, but on this one I will install an inline 4-cylinder engine with a capacity of 2.2 liters. This one will also get an inline 4-cylinder engine, but already with capacity of 2.5 liters. This one in turn has a V-shaped 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 3.3 liters, and this one also has a V-shaped 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 3.8 liters. Now let's make a few tests to compare how much the power of this car has changed. And later in the video I will compare V6 and V8 engines, as well as cars with a gasoline engine and an electric engine. But for now, let's return to this car. I moved them a little so that they covered the same distance. And now the test has officially begun. The first car goes with a 2.2 liter inline engine, and it passed the 100 km per hour mark in 14.3 seconds. It reached the goal in 18.53 seconds, and its maximum speed at this distance, which will be the same for all cars, was 156 km per hour. Let's see what the results will be for the other cars. Now goes a car with a 2.5 liter engine, and it passed the 100 km per hour mark in 12.7 seconds. It reached the goal in 18.3 seconds, and its maximum speed at this distance was 163 km per hour. As you can see, the results are quite a bit better than the previous car, but this is not surprising. Now let's move on to cars with 6-cylinder engines. The first car reached 100 km per hour mark in 9.2 seconds, which is 3 seconds faster than the previous car. It reached the goal in 16.1 seconds, that's 2 seconds faster than the previous car, and its maximum speed was 179 km per hour. On this car I was a little too slow with the gear shift, so the results were a little inaccurate. So I subtract 2 seconds from the results that I got, and you can see them on the screen. The result of our experiment is next. Bigger displacement, small power gain, more cylinders, much bigger power gain. But looking at how big is this bonus, the question arises whether it is necessary, while the fuel consumption will significantly increase. Now let's move on to the comparison of the V6 and V8 engines. Well, this car gets 3.5 liters V6 engine, and this one gets 5.7 liters V8 engine. By the way, thanks to a comment from one of my subscribers, I found out that the speed limiter can be removed. Thanks for such a good advice, friend. This time I thought it might be better for me to just shut up and let you look at the results and draw your own conclusions. By the way, do you see this beautiful car? That's great, you have good eyesight. And if you have good eyesight, you are definitely able to scroll down this video and click on the subscribe button below. Great, now let's continue. Alright, now we have these two identical cars. One of them I will make an electric car. And this car will get a gasoline i4 engine with a capacity of 2 liters. And here I remove the speed limiter too. Well, this car does a lot better in performance than the previous one, maybe because of its lightweight. Should be noted that this test is a little bit unfair, because I just take the standard car and placed on it electric motor and the batteries, so it has a massive plus to its weight, and it strongly affects on the performance. Well, our test is over. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.